Hello everyone, I am Taur Jayapati, a maths teacher. Today in this video, we will continue class 9 exercise number 6.2. In question number 3, we can see that in figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular on CD, EF is perpendicular on CD and angle of GED, that means this one is 126 degree. Okay, this one is a 126 degree. Then find out angle of AGE, and angle of GEF, and angle of FGE, okay, FGE. So first we need to find out this one. This is our AGE. Second one, angle of GEF, that means this one. And third one is angle of FGE. Okay. So let's start solution. I already draw the figure of this question. Okay. So here we need to find out this one. Okay. This one is given 126. We need to find out this one and this one. Okay. So first we can see that if AB and CD are parallel lines, okay, if AB and CD are parallel lines, then we can say that AGE and GED both are alternative interior angle. Okay, write down in the figure angle of AGE is equal to angle of GED. We can write here reason because of alternative interior angle. Okay, that's why angle of AGE will be also 126 degree. So this is the first answer. Now second one is we need to find out angle of GEF. Okay, so for angle of GEF we can write GEF means GED. Okay, angle of GED minus angle of FED. Okay, is equal to angle of GEF. Am I right? If I subtract GED in FED, we can write angle of GEF. Okay. So first one is, what is the angle of GED? So angle of GED will be a 126 degree minus angle of FED. Now FE is perpendicular on CD. Okay. That's why FED will be a 90 degree is equal to angle of GEF. So our second answer is angle of GEF is equal to 36 degree. Am I right? 126 minus 90 degree, that's why 36 degree. Now we need to find out our third question is, here we need to find out angle of EFG, okay, or FGE, sorry, FGE, this. So for angle of FGE, here AGE, angle of AGE plus angle of EGF is equal to 180 degree. Okay, why? Because of linear pair axioms. Okay, this is the linear pair AGE and EGF. That's why now we have angle of AGE. Angle of AGE is 126. Okay, so 126 plus angle of EGF, and that means FGE, is equal to 180 degree. So angle of FGE is equal to 180 minus 126. That's why angle of FGE will be a 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That's why final answer is angle of FGE will be a 54 degree. So we can write our answer here. So first, angle of AGE, angle of AGE is equal to 126 degree. Second one, angle of GEF is equal to 36 degree. And last one is angle of FGE is equal to 54 degree. So this is the solution of our third question.